Ever been in a silent room and your stomach decides to make a very loud growl? Here's why that happens. When your stomach is empty, it sends signals to your brain asking for food. This triggers your digestive muscles to contract, which pushes air and fluids through your gut, making that funny growling sound. The scientific term, borborygmi. Try saying that 3 times fast. So next time your stomach growls, don't worry, it's just your body saying, "Feed me." If you enjoyed learning this fun fact, subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend.